Ever dreamed of owning a successful business but felt held back by lack of experience or groundbreaking ideas? What if I told you there's a way to tap into the power of established brands and proven systems, even as a newcomer to the business world? In this video, we're diving into the world of franchising, a game-changing strategy that could turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Stick around to discover how you can leverage other people's success to build your own empire, and why franchising might just be the shortcut you've been searching for. Get ready to unlock the secrets of business ownership that the pros don't want you to know. What is franchising? Franchising is a business arrangement where one party, the franchisor, grants another party, the franchisee, the right to use its trademark, business systems, and processes to sell products or services. In exchange, the franchisee pays certain fees and agrees to operate under the franchisor's guidelines. For instance, if you want to open a coffee shop but lack the expertise to start from scratch, you could purchase a franchise from a well-known chain like Starbucks or Costa Coffee. This gives you access to their brand recognition, proven business model, and support systems. Key players in franchising. The franchisor. This is the company that owns the brand and business model. They grant permission to franchisees to use their intellectual property and systems. The franchisee. This is the individual or entity that purchases the right to operate a franchise location. They run the day-to-day operations of the business. Franchise fees. When you buy a franchise, you typically encounter two types of fees. Initial franchise fee. This is a one-time payment to join the franchise system. It often covers the cost of training, support, and the right to use the brand. Ongoing royalties. These are regular payments, often a percentage of sales, made to the franchisor for continued use of the brand and ongoing support. Why choose franchising? Franchising can be an attractive option for several reasons. Reduced risk. You're investing in a proven business model, which can lower the risk of failure compared to starting a business from scratch. Brand recognition. You benefit from the franchisor's established brand, which can help attract customers from day one. Training and support. Most franchisors provide comprehensive training and ongoing support to help you succeed. Economies of scale. As part of a larger network, you can benefit from bulk purchasing power and shared marketing costs. Potential drawbacks of franchising. However, franchising isn't without its challenges. Limited creativity. Franchisees must adhere to the franchisor's established systems and can't easily implement their own ideas. Ongoing costs. In addition to initial fees, franchisees must pay ongoing royalties, which can impact profitability. Strict regulations. Franchisors often have strict operational guidelines that must be followed to maintain brand consistency. Reputation. Dependency. Your success is partly tied to the overall reputation of the brand, which you can't fully control. Choosing the right franchise. Selecting the appropriate franchise is crucial. Consider these factors. Industry trends. Research the industry to ensure it has long-term growth potential. Franchisor's track record. Investigate the franchisor's history, financial stability, and support for franchisees. Initial investment. Understand all costs involved, including the franchise fee, setup costs, and working capital requirements. Territory rights. Clarify what geographical area you'll have the right to operate in, and whether you'll have exclusive rights in that area. Legal considerations. Before signing a franchise agreement, it's crucial to review the Franchise Disclosure Document, FDD. This legally required document provides detailed information about the franchise opportunity. Seek legal advice. Have a lawyer experienced in franchise law review all documents before signing. Understand your obligations. Be clear on what the franchisor expects from you in terms of operations, marketing, and financial reporting. Steps to start a franchise self-assessment. Evaluate your skills, financial capacity, and business goals to ensure franchising aligns with your objectives. Research. Thoroughly investigate potential franchise opportunities and their respective industries. Financial planning. Develop a comprehensive business plan and secure necessary funding. Due diligence. Speak with current and former franchisees to get insider perspectives on the franchise system. Legal review. Have all agreements reviewed by a qualified attorney before signing. Training. Complete the franchisor's training program to learn the business system. Launch. Open your franchise location following the franchisor's guidelines. Remember, while franchising can provide a structured path to business ownership, it's not a guaranteed success. It requires hard work, dedication, and careful adherence to the franchise system. Always conduct thorough research and seek professional advice before making any commitments. That concludes our comprehensive look at franchising. We've covered the basics, benefits, challenges, and key considerations for aspiring franchisees. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe for more business insights and entrepreneurial tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey there, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something really cool called franchising. It's a way for people to start their own business using someone else's famous brand name. Pretty neat, right? Let's dive in and learn all about it. What's franchising all about? Okay, so imagine you want to open a burger shop, but you don't know where to start. That's where franchising comes in. It's like borrowing someone else's successful business idea and making it your own. You pay them some money, and they let you use their name, their products, and their way of doing things. For example, let's say you love McDonald's. With franchising, you could actually open your very own McDonald's restaurant. You'd be the boss, but you'd be using their famous name and their secret recipes. Cool, huh? Who's who in franchising? There are two main players in the franchising game. The big boss, franchisor. This is the company that owns the brand. They're like the teacher who knows all the answers and shows you how to do things. The new business owner, franchisee. That's you. You're the student who's learning how to run the business. You're in charge of your own store, but you follow the big boss's rules. Show me the money. Now, you might be wondering, do I have to pay to be part of this? Well, yes, but think of it like paying for a really cool video game that helps you win at business. There are usually two types of payments. The starter fee. This is like the price of the game. You pay it once when you join the franchise family. The allowance. This is like paying a little bit of your pocket money to keep playing the game. You usually pay this regularly, maybe every month. Why would someone want to franchise? Franchising can be super awesome for a bunch of reasons. It's safer. Starting a business from scratch can be scary, but with franchising, it's like having a safety net. The business idea has already been tested and proven to work. Famous name. People already know and love the brand. It's like being instantly popular at a new school. Lots of help. The Big Boss Company teaches you everything you need to know. It's like having a personal tutor for your business. Team power. You're part of a big team. This means you can get things cheaper and share cool advertising ideas with other franchise owners. But wait, there's a catch. Franchising sounds great, right? But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some tricky parts too. Less freedom. You have to follow the big boss's rules. If you have a super cool idea for a new burger, you might not be allowed to make it. Costs keep coming. Remember that allowance we talked about? Sometimes it can be a lot of money, which means less profit for you. Lots of rules. The big boss wants all the stores to be the same. This means you have to do things exactly their way, even if you think you know a better way. Reputation matters. If other franchise stores mess up, it could make your store look bad too, even if you're doing a great job. Picking the perfect franchise. If you're thinking, hey, I want to try this franchising thing, that's awesome. But hold your horses. You need to choose the right one first. Here's what to think about. What's hot? Make sure you pick a business that people will still love years from now. You don't want to open a store selling fidget spinners after everyone's moved on to the next cool thing. Check the scoreboard. Look at how well the franchise company has done in the past. Are they winners or losers? Count your coins. Know exactly how much money you'll need. It's not just the starter fee. You'll need cash for things like renting a store and buying supplies too. Your turf. Find out where you're allowed to open your store. You don't want another franchise of the same brand opening right next door. Let's talk legal stuff. Okay, this part might sound a bit boring, but it's super important. Before you sign anything, make sure you read the big book. There's a special document called the Franchise Disclosure Document, FDD. It's like the rule book for your franchise. Read it carefully. Get a grown-up to help. Find a lawyer who knows all about franchises. They can help you understand all the complicated stuff. Know your job. Make sure you understand exactly what the big boss expects you to do. No surprises. Your franchise adventure, a step-by-step guide. Ready to start your franchise journey? Here's your treasure map. Look in the mirror. Think hard about what you're good at and what you want from your business. Is franchising really right for you? Be a detective. Investigate different franchise options. Ask lots of questions. Money matters. Figure out how much money you need and where you're going to get it. Maybe you need to ask the bank for a loan? Talk to the insiders. Find people who already own the franchise you're interested in. Ask them what it's really like. Lawyer up. Remember that grown-up help we talked about? Now's the time to use it. Go to school. Most franchises will teach you everything you need to know. Pay attention, it's important. Grand opening. Finally, it's time to open your doors and start your business adventure. Here's the most important thing to remember. Franchising can be an awesome way to start a business, but it's not magic. You still need to work hard and be dedicated to make it successful. It's like being given the best recipe in the world. You still need to do the cooking. Always do your homework before jumping in. Ask lots of questions, and don't be afraid to get help from experts. It's your future business after all. And that's a wrap on our franchising lesson. We've covered what franchising is, why it's cool, some of the tricky parts, and how to get started. I hope you found it helpful and maybe even a little exciting. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about business and making money, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the little bell icon too, so you never miss out when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Do you have any questions about franchising? Or maybe you know someone who owns a franchise? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, whether you're dreaming of owning a big famous restaurant or just curious about how businesses work, keep learning and stay curious. See you next time.